So this is a bottle flip challenge, so you will need a water bottle, and it doesn't have to look exactly like this. There is a little trick to make this game a little bit easier, and what you're going to need to do, I'll get closer so you can see. If you notice, my water bottle has just a little bit of water still in the bottle here, and that's just going to help it to flip easier once the game gets started. But you do want to make sure you got your lid on there tight so you don't make a mess in the house. The second thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a timer, because we're going to be timing ourselves for 1 minute. Now, some of you may have an iPad, so real quick, if you pull up your iPad to get your timer, or you could do this on a phone, whatever's easiest, or if you have a clock, I'm just giving you some examples here. You click on clock, and there's different options down here at the bottom. And I like to use the timer, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the little scrolly wheel and make it 1 minute, and then when I'm ready I can hit the start button. Some of you might be on a Chromebook or computer, and the best way that I found, or the easiest way for me, is what I do is on here I pull up the Chrome browser just like a regular Google, like I'm searching the internet, and just right in the search bar I'm going to put timer, Timer, and I just type that right in that search bar. And then it gives you the option, right now it's set on 5 minutes, so I would want to click on it and change it to 1 minute. So now I have my 1 minute timer. And like I said, you don't have to do either one of these. If you have an old-fashioned timer or whatever, or any type of clock will also work as long as you're keeping track of your time. So, how do you play the bottle flip challenge? Well, the game's pretty simple. Most of y'all have probably seen the bottle flip. The object of this game, pretty simple, is to flip over your water bottle so it lands straight up and down. You don't want it to fall over, all right? That's not how you win the game. So what you want to do is get the most number of successful flips, which means it lands right side up. Now this is PE, so we're going to make it a little crazy and more challenging. So think about this as in like different rounds. So each round is going to consist of 2 flips. So you get 2 flips. So I'm going to do a little walkthrough, and I'll do a full-time video right after this one. So I'm going to pick up my bottle. Remember, make sure the lid's on. I'm going to flip it, and I want it to land straight up. And remember, I want to move quickly, so I'm only going to have 1 minute when I'm doing this. But I'll do it in slow motion so everyone understands. So I'm going to flip it. Now, my bottle fell over, so I don't get a point. Every time it lands straight up, I get a point. So I still have 0. Now here's my second attempt, and I didn't make it, so I still have 0. After every 2 throws of your water bottle, or every 2 flips, you have to do a fitness challenge. And our first fitness challenge is going to be one of our favorites. You're going to need to do 5 jumping jacks. So I'm going to have my feet apart, hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I get to go again. Now here's the crazy part of this game. I'm going to do 2 more flips. If I'm able to flip both of these up successfully, I get to skip the fitness challenge, and I keep going to flip another 2, and that'll help me get more points in this game. So I'm going to go again. Nope. All right, I finally got one. So I got 1 point, but I didn't make both of those up, so I still have to do my 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to go, and remember, every 2, you got to do your jumping jacks unless you can get both of them flipped up. So now I got to do another 2. Oh, got 2 points. Can I get this one? Nice. So since I got both of those up, I get to skip my jumping jacks now, and I get to do 2 more flips. So I got 3 points. 1. Uh-oh. So now I got 4, but since I didn't make both of them, I got to do 5 more jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how the game works. So remember, you want to get the highest number of points All right, that time I had 4 points, but that didn't really count. That was just an example because you only have 1 minute, so the actual game's going to be a lot quicker. Remember, you only get 2 attempts to flip your bottle. Now, do y'all remember what happens if you make both of your flips up successful? Nice. Remember, if you make them both, then that means you get to skip your fitness challenge, which this fitness challenge is jumping jacks. But remember, if you don't make it or you only make 1 attempt, you have to do what? That's right, you have to do your fitness challenge. And let's see if anybody remembers, how long do you get to do this? What's the time limit? Nice, because I know you said 1 minute. So remember, I'm going to show you my world record challenge here in a little bit, and then it'll be in the next video. So you got 2 options. You can join us any day, all right, at 10 a.m. for kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, or if you're in 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade, you can join us at 10:30 in a live Zoom, Challenge Coach 101 right here. Or if you're not able to do that, you can still submit a video of your bottle flip fitness challenge and let me know if you're able to beat my world record. Hope everyone enjoyed, and we'll catch you next time.